All right, gave our opponent a little head start. All right, it's the perk defense. Ah, man, this can get a little tricky. That's a smidgen tricky. He tried it. I don't think he really tried that so early, but he did. But I guess, for him, he got that out of the way. He took one of the stronger pieces off the board, but I don't, let me change this up. I'm gonna waste some. Yeah, I wasted a move there. I did that wrong. I did that wrong. He wanted Black Bishop. I gotta chase him out of my territory. See, you know what? We go there. Okay, so what can I do here? I'm gonna do this. Mm, take. Go right there. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna pin this like that. God, my, come on, man. I just wanna play a little bit of chess. I don't wanna do nothing special. So what I'm gonna try now, I don't know if he'll go for it. He might. I don't like that. It don't matter. I got two defending this. Come on, man. Killing me with this stupid mess. I got two attacking this. Move him up. And it's gonna come down. But then I hit and take. I might get this. What was I thinking about doing? When in doubt, give a check. Okay, so this is good. Gave another check. Okay. All right. All right. This is promising. This is promising. Okay, so this here, I'm going for it. So he had that, and I'm going for that. So we'll see who wins this battle. I guess no one. Go there. I'm gonna drop this here, and then we got a double attack here. But preemptively, I should do this. Well, that's if he don't bring the rook here. But regardless, I'm gonna do it. Regardless of what he does, I'm gonna go for that and just see what happens because I have one minor up 5 points. So hypothetically speaking, I should be better here. I could make the king. No, I'm not doing anything fancy. No, nothing fancy. Let's just keep it simple. Oh, you resigned. He wants to play again. Nope.